Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Alright guys, so in order to connect the Google Home Mini, you need to download the Google Home app. And once you download that, it'll prompt you to connect your Google Home Mini to the app. And that part is easy. But once you get to the Wi-Fi settings, it might give you an uh-oh moment, and that's the message I got. Basically, what you need to do is go to your IP settings in your browser. That's by putting your IP address in your search bar and changing the IP settings to no isolation. That way the Google Home can actually connect to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, so this Google Home Mini is, it's solid, made out of plastic and this fabric material on the top. I really like it. I like this orange touch, even though you'll never probably see it if you lay it on a table like that, but it's really nice nonetheless. It connects through micro USB, and this is the mute switch for the microphone. And when you connect it, like you've seen, 3 lights pop up, and if you hit here, it is volume up, and if you touch here, it's volume down. I think this is, a better option for people who are getting into the Google Home, I guess ecosystem, because it's cheap, it's smaller than the original Google Home, and it's pretty loud, as you can see. Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. The right eye said to the left eye, "Between you and me, something smells."
Okay. Okay, Google, can you beatbox for me?
My friend here can throw down some beats.
I think it'd be a good thing for people who don't want to have their phone out all the time. It's kind of like, the smartwatch thing where, you check your notifications on the smartwatch to not look at your phone as much. The Google Assistant Home Mini thing is for people who don't want to have to open the Google Calendar app to set a reminder. For people who don't want to open their shopping app to set their shopping list, It also does alarms, it does cool things like that. If you have lights at home, or Philips Hue lights especially, this can turn them on and off. Like if I ask it my name, it'll tell me my name. Hey Google, who am I?
I remember you saying it's Mahmoud.
Yes, and she pronounces it correctly, so that's a plus. Hey Google, add paper towels to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added paper towels to your shopping list.
Okay Google, add boxed water to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added boxed water to your shopping list.
Hey Google, what do you think of Siri?
You know Siri? What a small world. Hope she's doing well.
Hey Google, when was the Nexus 6P released?
Nexus 6P's first released on September 29th, 2015.
Hey Google, how far is Baton Rouge, Louisiana?
If you drive, Baton Rouge is 900 miles away.
Okay Google, how long will it take me to drive there?
By car, the trip to Baton Rouge is 12 hours and 58 minutes with light traffic.
Okay Google, how's my day looking?
Good afternoon, Mahmoud. The time is 12:06 p.m. Right now in Hammond it's 25 with snow showers. Today, there'll be snow with a forecasted high of 25 and a low of 10. By the way, remember to memorize Quran. Also, remember to go to mosque. And lastly, remember to go to gym today tomorrow. By the way, it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day. MLK believed African Americans should inspire their community. He convinced Star Trek actress Nichelle Nichols to stay on the show in the 1960s because he felt her role showed that black
Google,
women
stop.
were capable.
Google, remind me to clean the house tomorrow.
Alright, tomorrow at 8 a.m. to get these reminders on an iPhone, download the Google Assistant app.
Hey Google, remind me to get lights for my room.
When do you want to be reminded?
Thursday at 4.
Alright, I'll remind you on Thursday at 4 p.m.
Alright guys, so that's been my unboxing, first impressions, and review of the Google Home Mini. I'll be doing more videos on the Google Home Mini as it, gets more updates and can do more things. And, I don't have any home automation devices to show with that, but there are a lot of good reviews and tutorials on YouTube for all of that. So, thanks for watching, and until next time, it's been Basically Tech.